Okay, here is my presentation, volcano presentation by Nicole Jones. So the question here is, why is there an extreme reaction when you mix an acid and a base? The experiments. The materials are an empty water bottle, paper towel, baking soda, and vinegar. And the procedure is you place baking soda in a paper towel, put the paper towel in an empty water bottle, place it on an open surface, add vinegar to the water bottle. So here we go. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh, you let the dog in. She's outside.
I'm eating candy while smelling vinegar. Lucy, go lay down. Go lay down.
So what happens and why? So baking soda and vinegar react chemically because one is a base, the baking soda, and the other is an acid. Foundational knowledge is that an acid is defined as a substance that produces hydrogen ions when it's dissolved in water. Acidic solutions have a high concentration of H positive ions or hydrogen positive ions. An alkali is a substance that produces hydroxide ions, which is when it is dissolved in water. Basic or alkali solutions have a high concentration of OH negative ions. When dissolved in water, the acid, vinegar, which is an acid dissolved in water, donates hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are hydrogen atoms that have lost an electron and now have just a proton, giving them a positive electric charge. The base of baking soda, on the other hand, mixed with water yields hydroxide ions. So there's a pH scale, and these are examples of acids on this side. Water is neutral, and the bases are on this side, 8 to 14. Further explanation, when vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, an acid-base reaction occurs. Hydrogen positive ions in the water react with the OH negative ions of the base, which is the baking soda, resulting in the creation of two new chemicals, carbonic acid and sodium acetate. The second reaction is a decomposition reaction, and that is carbonic acid is formed as a result of the first reaction. As a result, the first reaction immediately begins to decompose into water, salt, and carbon dioxide. And as the carbonic acid decomposes, carbon dioxide is produced, and that the carbon dioxide rose to the top of the mixture, and this carbon dioxide rising is the volcanic explosion of bubbles and foam that you see when you mix baking soda and vinegar. And those are the citations.